back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. Keeping it nice and easy today. We're going to do a tuna mayo. Let's take a look at the ingredients we've got. So, iceberg lettuce, shredded nicely. Corn, that's from a can. Some mayonnaise. Try and use a nice quality mayonnaise. Not endorsing it, but I think Hellmann's is probably one of the best unless you're going to make it yourself. Can of tuna, that was in oil, drained it off. So you get them in oil and in water. This one was in oil. Some sliced tomatoes, a little bit of diced, really small cucumber, and a little bit of onion there. I'm using red. I'm going to be using some brown bread on this one, but first let's get this mixture together. Alright, so it couldn't be easier. A little mixing bowl. Got my tuna in there. Now there's lots of different types of quality tuna. If you buy cheap tuna, it is horrible. It's like cat food. So try and spend a little bit more on a decent brand. Cucumber, in that goes. Onion, in that goes. Some sweet corn. You can play around with the amounts that you want to use. And then some mayo. Again, like I say, try and use a decent quality mayo. Cheap mayo really is disgusting. What I want to do now is just get a little bit of black pepper in there. Now I'm not going to be adding any salt to this because I think that we're salty enough as it is. You know, with the fish and everything, but plenty of black pepper. So I haven't put in the iceberg and I haven't put in the tomatoes. Let's give this a mix. Okay, so look, there's our lovely mixture there. Now you could be putting in some dill pickle in there or something, you know, some pickled cucumbers or some other bits and pieces that you like into the mix there. What we're going to do now, 2 slices of bread. We're going to make 2 sandwiches. Let's get a nice layer of our tuna on there. Now I don't find it necessary to butter this because we've got the mayo mixture here. So straight onto the bread for me. And then actually I'm using a brown bread. You could be using something else if you want. Now these are super deluxe, they're going to be nice and thick. That is wonderful. Try and get it on all the edges there. So easy, this one, and delicious. Then what we're going to do, get some tomatoes happening. If you wanted to add any salt, probably now's the time. Get it on your tomatoes there. Then generous amount of the iceberg lettuce, which I quite like in this one. Use something else if you want, but like I say, don't be shy. These are nearly Scooby snacks. And then straight on, piece of bread. We're done. Let's cut them open. Okay, and there you go, absolutely wonderful, nice and big, absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.